What's up guys, it's me Hillyman. Today I'm going to be showing you my slime. It calls unicorn poop and dust. So let's get started. First it looks like this, and then from this side it looks like that. From that side it looks like that. And this side it's like plain this side is. So let's open it. This is what it looks like. It's sparkly, but you might see it came to my hair. You can't mix it, and I'm gonna be playing with it. I'm making all of this go away. So yeah, this is my favorite part about slime. This is my first slime, so I'm gonna get more slimes, like a whole collection of them. So this is my favorite part about it. And this one doesn't even can't do the bubble. Like I'm trying to do the bubble. Look. I love this. I can't stop playing with it. I got a little scared because it's too little. And it makes bubbles by itself. When I do that, and the noise is coming. So this is the funniest part. I put it in here. It sounds like barks. I want more subscribers, please, because I have 20. What? Because I love doing videos. And yeah, I'm going to be doing another video after this. He's going to play it again. And it got stuck in my forehead. Yeah, and it got stuck in my hair. That's crying about. Yeah. Bye guys. Like, subscribe. Hope you love